Hey guys, today we're going to be doing how to make lipstick out of crayons. Well, you hear talking in the background. That is my wonderful mom, and she's on the phone and she's making dinner, so everything, yeah. And I grabbed like this little container thing, so you're going to need that. You're going to need a lit candle. You're gonna need either petroleum jelly, Vaseline, or coconut oil. But I have petroleum jelly, and I'm going to go ask my wonderful mom to light the candle. So I will be right back with that. So yeah, just give me a minute. I'm trying to set up. Okay. Wonderful mom.
So we had a full house.
You can't tell me.
No, where's your lighter? She's now a manager.
Mom, where's your lighter? Oh, here it is. Can you light this for me, Mama?
So it's like Subway.
So my wonderful mom is lighting that, and by the way, our dinner's so good. We're having roasted chicken with cheesy rice.
They're paying her good money, and they're giving her the hours. The problem was that she was having a hard time with the hours. She needed something that was going to
be very careful. Make sure an adult lights that.
And so she, Big Rock was giving her a hard time.
Wait, that's not a big enough thing.
But they kept promising her a manager position and full time. But Nikki's like, well, I need it now. I can't wait for you to get the store reopened. So she said that, you know what, I'll get a part-time job.
So you're going to need
part-time job
this.
Until one of them gives me a management.
Okay. So take it, put it down.
So that's what she intended to do.
You're going to unwrap the crayons, and make sure you have parental vision, and you ask, because if you don't, you'll get in a lot of trouble. I learned that.
Well, when she called the North Charleston store,
so that's one. I'm doing like a mixture of red and pink. I'm doing a mixture of red and this color. It's like a maroonish, pinkish, that kind of deal. Okay, I'm just gonna move that out of the way. Sorry if you hear all the talking in the background. That's my mom. She's wonderful. She is the greatest person in my life. Next to my dad also, obviously, because I was born with my dad. So yeah, you're going to want to do that, and you're going to have to break them as small as you can. About like this size, maybe even like this size, or this size. If you can get it smaller, that's great. Smaller is always the best because it melts better.
When she started, she wasn't doing less than 32, 33 hours a week. So she had to leave Big Lots. She said, I'm sorry, but
so take petroleum jelly.
Worth it for me to travel to half an hour for 2 months.
You don't use it yet. Learn that. You take all the crayons.
Now she's back in Monk's Corner. She's 5 minutes up the road, and she does.
You were going to get the candle, and you will start melting it. It will start like gliding along. I'll show you in a minute.
That she gets out 5.5 on. So her paycheck was like $800. Yep. So she's like, I can't pass it up because it's
look, if you look so far,
and there's room for me to grow.
I think you could see that.
So she's like,
no.
I can't.
Look, it's already like melting.
So she's happy.
So that's a good thing. Just give me a minute.
We all went in there to have lunch when she was working. say my
I didn't.
and we acted like we weren't her family, you know, except for when they ask, they ask you for your name on the sandwich, and then it goes to the counter, and then you say your name on the sandwich. So on my slip it said Nikki's sandwich, and on my mother's slip it said Nikki's grandparents. So when it got there, she's like, oh, crap. But then her boss came by and was like, because I was sharing it. He's like, is she getting in trouble? And she has been since the day she came out of the womb. He goes, oh, you must be mother.
Sorry if I'm like not talking. I'm just like focusing because candle's a candle. You don't want to like burn anything.
The manager, the owner of the store, told me they're in love with her. They were like, we love her. We are so glad we got her. Yeah, and then the boss, then a couple of the people from the hotel went over there to get lunch, and they tried to get her to come back to work at the hotel, and the manager's like, oh, hell no, you're not stealing her. He's like, whatever you offer her, I will match it. She ain't going anywhere. So, I don't know, Alex, I think he's still staying at the house across the street from Alex's house. Yeah, it's not a very good house to stay in. There's a lot of trouble you got to go on in there.
You don't want to ruin the candle, so like you gotta be really, really careful to not ruin the candle.
And he's working another. He got a license, his driver's license. Justin apparently.
Oh, personal business. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Yep. So.
It might get everywhere.
Exactly. You can't even afford to pay child support. Can't afford a apartment, but.
Mom.
I'm like, whatever. I'm like, I don't think the board.
Mom.
Stuff together, but.
Mom. Check the oven. It's like going off. It's like about to explode, and it. Mom.
I mean.
Look. Look.
Alright, it's just dripping in the oven. Will you quit it?
No, in the oven it's lighting. See?
Oh, chicken, and the sauce is dripping down in my oven.
It's fine. It's just sauce dripping down in the oven. I'm sorry, I'm paranoid, Mom. It was lighting.
He works for the city of Charleston.
And you told me that this house can go down in flames
he
in
does,
like...
the roads and landscaping and stuff.
You're the one who got me scared about that.
He does,
that was hilarious.
She used to work with him at Big Lots.
Oh my gosh, she's turning out
He had a second job that he was getting, he got, you know, as a part-time job. And,
Dean, you want to be in my video?
Working there to earn a couple of
Come say yes.
dollars.
Come say hi. I meant,
and, because his wife, he was married, and he doesn't like her.
Hi.
They're not getting along. Him and his wife
Hi.
were going through a divorce.
Dean.
And because he was going through the divorce, and he was still paying for stuff for her.
Hi.
He needed extra money to get himself out of the house and on his own, or her out of the house on her own, and pay for the divorce.
She's gonna wait till that's all like melted and everything.
To pay for the divorce and everything, and
but Dean kind of took out.
And Nikki was going through the split with Justin.
Owie!
So they would
Don't burn yourself. Hashtag it hurts.
He'd be like, yeah, she did this and she did that, and he'd go, well, you know, and then Nikki would be like, well, he did this and he did that. And so they were just kind of venting to each other because they were conveniently going through the same thing. They were both getting out of he was in a 7-year relationship, she was in an 8-year relationship. And he was like, she doesn't work, she doesn't clean, she doesn't do anything.
Give me a minute, I'm gonna go like wash everything and everything.
And the best thing is that she's
Don't touch the things, okay? It hurts when you burn yourself, just saying. As you can see, it's still like dripping and everything. So you're just gonna have to wait like a couple of minutes. If you don't want to wait the wait, just go ahead and like wash it off everywhere you got it. And you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it in the freezer if you don't want to wait the wait. And it's gonna do it in like 10 seconds. So 5 even. You're not gonna cap petroleum jelly because you're still gonna need it. I'm not even talking to you, so. But they just found they have so much in common, they just kept being each other's example. So, they just kept being supportive of each other. Now, they have a really good relationship, and they're very, very supportive of each other. And their biggest argument is on who can help each other more. Because, Nikki was always the breadwinner paying the bills and doing it. Okay, so it worked. And he's always the breadwinner paying the bills and doing it. So now you're just gonna take the petroleum jelly, you're gonna take it, and you're gonna like just stuff it in there. Now I'm just gonna go put it back in the freezer for about 30 seconds. Oh, you can put it on a timer. I sure will. Hi, how are you? Yeah. So I was telling her about Nikki. They're doing really good. Okay. Nikki had a couple of applications in her department, and she's still waiting back to hear from them. And it's been like a month and a half, and she's on a waiting list to get into these apartments. That there's 2 complexes that do salary. Basically, it's based on your salary. So if you make $800 a week, your rent is like. It's just gonna beep in 3, 2, 1. So you can take it out. She's in 2 different complexes. She has an application there, but the wait is like a 6-month wait. And that's cute. I'm just gonna mix it a little. Okay. Why do you do it? He's like, I have a 3-bedroom house. Why don't you just come in and do it? He's like, I will re-renovate it. You are going to take a penny, just a penny. You're going to wrap it in something. I usually do a paper towel, but right now we're out, so you're going to take it and you're going to just like flatten it. Flatten. I'm not going in. I'm now part of your kid's life. He's like, you have to do something really that get rid of me. He goes, because I ain't going anywhere because you are something special, and those kids are really special. And so he said, I have no problem with you and with each other. Take it out. It's not going to be dirty or anything, so just put it back. Right now, Michael is out the house and they have to put a new carpet in the kid's bedroom. And so yeah, that's it, and I'll show you how it works. It really is not that good, but like if you are going to just take it and like and you don't have any more lipstick, just use this. It's like gloss. But you see it's kind of like coming on good. It's not like one of those very expensive lipsticks or cheap lipsticks. It's just like a lip gloss. By the way, if you come over here, I am trying to make lipstick, guys, and I made my very own lipstick, and I'll show you it. It turned out so good, like I can't even tell you. So this side is like a lipstick, if you see. It's like a white lipstick, and it has a little bit of pink sparkles in it. And if I think I were to mix it up very well, it'd turn like pink. And this, it's a matte lip gloss.
Yeah.
It is the best thing I've ever made in my entire life. Just saying. Well, so yeah. Have a nice day, and hope you enjoyed this video. So, bye!